Hi everyone, Kate here with the first of my Edwardian Christmas dinner-inspired recipe videos. Today, we're going to be trying a recipe for cranberry soup from Substitutes for Flesh Foods, a vegetarian cookbook from 1904. This unique dish was suggested to be served as a first course for a Christmas or New Year's dinner. To begin, combine 2 cups of cranberry juice, with 1 tablespoon of arrowroot starch. I like to add my arrowroot to a small bit of juice before adding it in, which helps it incorporate easier. Bring the mixture to a boil, stirring constantly until the juice is thickened to a more soup-like consistency. Chill and serve cold in small cups. The addition of the arrowroot really gives this dish a lovely silky texture and makes it a soup and not a beverage. However, while I would say I found it refreshingly tart, I suspect most modern palates would also want to add in a bit of sweetener. Alternatively, you could use a cranberry cocktail drink instead of a pure cranberry juice. If you have a cranberry beverage you enjoy drinking, then it would be perfect for this recipe. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
This video is made possible through the generous support of my Patreon members. Thank you.